Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I truly hope you're having a great day. If you're not subscribed to this channel, take a moment, hit that button, turn on your bell so you'll never miss another upload. Guys, today I'm doing a wall decal or wall paneling. I'm gonna do a feature on the wall made from wood. We went to Home Depot, pick out a few pieces of wood, and we're going to do some paneling on this wall. If you're interested in these kind of videos, stay tuned. The wall we're going to be doing is this wall. And these are the wood. And we're going to transform them on this wall. So I'll show you step by step. Here we go. Next, we start measuring the wall and laying out the wood. So we're gonna have 5 pieces going across and 5 pieces going horizontal. So 5 pieces vertical and 5 pieces horizontal. So now we're measuring the wall to make sure they're even. Stay tuned. We have to take a quick trip to Home Depot. We're out of nail for the nail gun. So we're running into Home Depot to pick up a few. In the meantime, I'm taking a quick look at these plants. This one is beautiful. And over here are the orchids. We're back from Home Depot and now we're continuing with the project. We're putting wood glue on the wood. And this is what we're using. It's the Gorilla wood glue. And now we're gonna put this on the wall. Stay tuned, guys. He's trying to make sure it leveled with the wall. He's making sure it leveled with the wall. and he's stapling it in. He's trying to make sure it's even and leveled. He's putting some wood glue on top of the wood before he put it on the wall, so it will be nicely secured. And he's using Gorilla wood glue. And now this is the last piece of wood or paneling that's going vertically. Now we are moving on to step 3.
Ready?
Now he's cutting the wood for the paneling. He's cutting the wood for the horizontal pieces. Now he's putting in another panel. A few more pieces to go, and then that section will be complete. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, take a moment, show your girl some love. Hit that button, turn on your bell so you'll never miss another upload. So far, so good. It's looking beautiful already. It's coming together. A few more pieces, and one section will be complete. He's covering the nail holes. After he finished covering the nail holes, he's gonna caulk in between the corners, and then we'll be ready to prime and paint. Guys, we're having a rainstorm, so we're gonna have to pick up on this video at a later date. So stay tuned for part 2 in the next one. We'll be coming up with part 2, and then we'll conclude the end of this video. Stay tuned. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, take a moment, hit that button, turn on your bell so you'll never miss another upload. Part 2 will be coming tomorrow, so stay tuned. This is where I say thanks for watching and have a good evening. Bye bye.